Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we're going to show you how to change out the GE dishwasher, Dishrack roller and axle. It's going to be a very easy repair and it'll only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the new Dishrack roller and axle. The Dishrack roller and axle is what the upper dish rack rolls in and out on. The main reason you'll be changing it out is if it's lost or damaged and the rack's not going in and out properly. In order to change the part, we have to open up the dishwasher door. Now that we have the door open, we're going to pull the upper rack out. Once you have it out, we're going to push it in just a little bit so we can take the end caps off the rails. To get the end caps off, we're just going to get behind them with a small flathead screwdriver and release the locking tab. Once you have it free, you can pull it off and set it aside. The one on this side comes off the same way. Once you have the end caps off, we can grab the rack and pull it off the rails. Once you have it free, we can turn it over and set it on the counter. There's 4 rollers and axles on the dish rack. They're all changed out the same way. All you have to do is unsnap it and pull it off the rack. Here's the old dish rack roller and axle next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. To put the new dish rack roller and axle on, all you have to do is line it up and slide it onto the rack. Then you can rotate it to lock it on. Once you have it installed, we can put the upper dish rack back into the dishwasher. So we're just going to turn it over and line the wheels up with the rails. Once you have it on the rails, you can push it back in and pull the rails out so we can put the end caps on. To put the end caps back in, all you have to do is line them up on the rails and snap them back in. Once you have this side done, we can do the one on the other side. Once you have the end caps in, we can push the upper rack in. We can close the dishwasher door, plug it back in, and take it for a spin. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.